A blessed day, dear learners. Prepare yourselves for an exciting and insightful journey into the world of learning. In today's video, we'll dive into the fascinating topic, an overview of carpentry materials, woods, types, defects, and preparation. Stay safe, keep exploring, and may God's blessings be with you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel, your gateway to knowledge and discovery.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. What is the definition of carpentry? A. The art of assembling furniture for interior design. B. The science of mixing construction materials. C. The art, science, and technology of cutting, fitting, and assembling materials for structures like boats and bridges. D. The process of painting and finishing wooden surfaces. Which of the following are types of wood used in carpentry? A. Concrete and steel. B. Hardwood and softwood. C. Plastic and fiberglass. D. Aluminum and copper. What is the main difference between softwood and hardwood? A. Softwood is more durable than hardwood. B. Softwood comes from deciduous trees, and hardwood comes from conifers. C. Softwood comes from conifers, and hardwood comes from deciduous trees. D. Softwood is always heavier than hardwood. Why is seasoning wood important in carpentry? A. To make the wood harder for cutting. B. To reduce the moisture content and improve durability. C. To remove the natural color of the wood. D. To prepare it for chemical treatments. What does quality grading of lumber indicate? A. The age of the tree the wood came from. B. The number of knots in the wood. C. The smoothness and usability of the wood. D. The price of the wood. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If yes, congratulations on a job well done. If not, Don't worry. We will help you deepen your understanding through this video.
Carpentry refers to the art, science, and technology of cutting, fitting, and assembling materials for constructing boats, bridges, piers, and various other structures primarily using wood and other related materials. Ang karpintero ay tumutukoy sa sining, agham, at teknolohiya ng pagputol, pag-aayos, at pag-iipon ng mga materyales para sa paggawa ng mga bangka, tulay, pier, at iba't ibang istruktura na pangunahing gumagamit ng kahoy at iba pang kaugnay na materyales. Materials in carpentry. Woods. Woods are byproducts of trees widely used in carpentry projects. Types of woods. First, lumber, o derived from trees and categorized into softwood or hardwood. Second, yard lumber, o prepared lumber for versatile uses. Select grade, good appearance, suitable for various finishes, e.g., paint, stain, enamel. Common grade, used in rough carpentry, not suitable for finishing, e.g., coco lumber. Third, softwood, o sourced from evergreen or needle-bearing trees, commonly called conifers. Fourth, hardwood, o sourced from broadleaf, deciduous trees that shed leaves seasonally. Mga materyales sa carpentry. Woods. Ang mga kahoy ay mga byproduct ng mga puno na malawakang ginagamit sa mga proyekto ng karpintero. Mga uri ng kahoy. Una, T-tabla, o nagmula sa mga puno at ikinategorya sa softwood o hardwood. Pangalawa, T-tabla ng bakuran, o inihandang tabla para sa maraming gamit. Pumili ng grado, magandang hitsura, angkop para sa iba't ibang mga finish, pintura, mancha, enamel. Karaniwang marka, ginagamit sa magaspang na pagkakarpintero, hindi angkop para sa pagtatapos, coco lumber. Pangatlo, softwood, o nagmula sa evergreen o mga punong may karayom, karaniwang tinatawag na conifer. Pang-apat, timatigas na kahoy, o nagmula sa malapad na dahon, mga nangungulag na puno na nagtatanggal ng mga dahon sa panapanahon. Parts of wood. First, sapwood, outer part near the bark, still active in nutrient transport. Second, heartwood, inner, dead part offering strength and durability. Third, cambium layer, a thin dividing layer between the bark and sapwood. Defects in lumber. Split or check, lengthwise separation along the grain. Not, the exposed portion of a tree branch or limb. Pitch pocket, resin-filled cavity. Stain, discoloration of wood surfaces. Shake, separation between growth rings. Mga bahagi ng kahoy. Una, sapwood, ang panlabas na bahagi malapit sa bark, aktibo pa rin sa nutrient transport. Pangalawa, the heartwood, inner, patay na bahagi na nag-aalok ng lakas at tibay. Pangatlo, cambium layer, isang manipis na naghahati na layer sa pagitan ng bark at sapwood. Mga depekto sa lumber. Hatiin o suriin, mahabang paghihiwalay sa kahabaan ng butil. Not, ang nakalantad na bahagi ng sanga o sanga ng puno. Pitch pocket, cavity na puno ng resin. Mancha, pagdidilim ng kulay ng mga ibabaw ng kahoy. Shake, paghihiwalay sa pagitan ng growth rings. Quality grading of lumber. S2S, smooth on two sides. S4S, smooth on all four sides. Wood preparation. First, seasoning, drying the wood to reduce moisture. Air seasoning, natural drying in open air. Kiln seasoning, artificial drying in an oven. Second, treated lumber, chemical treatment before seasoning. Moisture content. Softwood, alternasyon 20%. Hardwood, 6 hanggang 12%. Kalidad ng grading ng lumber. S2S, makinis sa dalawang gilid. S4S, makinis sa lahat ng apat na panig. Paghahanda ng kahoy. Una, tipanimpla, pagpapatuyo ng kahoy upang mabawasan ang kahalumigmigan. Air seasoning, natural na pagpapatuyo sa bukas na hangin. Kiln seasoning, artipisyal na pagpapatuyo sa oven. Pangalawa, ginagamot na lumber, paggamot sa kemikal bago panimpla. Nilalaman ng kahalumigmigan. Softwood, alternasyon 20%. Hardwood, 6 hanggang 12%.
If a carpenter needs a durable and strong wood for a project, which type of wood should they use? A. Softwood. B. Hardwood. C. Treated lumber. D. S2S lumber. In which situation would air seasoning be preferable to kiln seasoning? A. When quick drying is required. B. When dealing with a large volume of wood and cost is a concern. C. When creating furniture for indoor use. D. When reducing resin content in the wood. Which of the following best describes the difference between sapwood and hardwood? A. Sapwood is the inner, durable part, while hardwood is the outer part used for transport. B. Sapwood is the outer, active layer, while hardwood is the inner, durable part. C. Both sapwood and hardwood are equally strong and active. D. Sapwood is more prone to defects than hardwood. How do defects like knots and shakes affect wood quality? A. They enhance the appearance of the wood. B. They reduce the strength and usability of the wood. C. They make the wood more resistant to moisture. D. They have no impact on wood quality. Why might a carpenter choose S4S lumber over S2S lumber? A. S4S lumber is more readily available. B. S4S lumber is smoother on all sides, making it easier to use for finishing projects. C. S4S lumber is less expensive than S2S lumber. D. S4S lumber has more defects, which adds character. Which is an advantage of using treated lumber in construction? A. It dries faster than untreated lumber. B. It resists decay and insect damage. C. It is less expensive than untreated lumber. D. It has a more natural appearance. Why is selecting the correct type of wood critical in bridge construction? A. To ensure the bridge looks aesthetically pleasing. B. To prevent frequent maintenance needs. C. To provide the necessary strength and durability. D. To reduce construction time. What is a major benefit of kiln seasoning over air seasoning? A. Kiln seasoning is less expensive. B. Kiln seasoning takes less time to dry the wood. C. Kiln seasoning enhances the natural appearance of the wood. D. Kiln seasoning is more suitable for outdoor projects. Which grade of lumber is most suitable for furniture making? A. Common grade. B. Select grade. C. S2S lumber. D. Kiln dried lumber. Which of the following would be the best addition to a checklist for assessing lumber quality? A. Ensure the wood is free from any defects like knots or shakes. B. Verify the color of the wood matches the project's design. C. Measure the moisture content of the wood. D. Both A and C. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you found our teacher Lumaban's self-learning video enjoyable and informative. If you gained new knowledge from this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We value your feedback. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope to see you again in our next video. May God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.